Hello everyone and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So for today's video we are reviewing this 10-inch contour gauge. So these are really handy for many applications. A lot of builders use stuff like this. It makes it so much easier. Sure, you could use an old classic measuring ruler, but this makes jobs, especially those jobs where you need to cut something into a perfect piece so it looks good. This makes it much easier. There's a link in the video description if you are interested. There's also a measuring ruler on it as well. So let's get started unboxing and testing this out. So again, there will be a link in the video description where you can get this for more details. Let's go ahead and open this up. So right away we see this is how to use it. So it goes over a lot of different features here and it explains it in detail. If you want to pause the video and read this, you can go ahead and do that. Next up, you have your instructions manual as well. So this is how it looks. It's very nice. First off, I like the black and orange. It's good contrast to each other. So I think that's a very nice color. So how this works is very simple. You can use it with carpet or wood or basically any project you need. So let's say we wanted to cut an angle piece like this. So this is a simple angle piece. You could simply draw an L on your wood or your carpet or wherever you're going to be using it for, or you could use this tool and simply do this. And then once you have it in place like that, go ahead and push up all the little pins to make sure everything's tight against. Then you could take this pin right here, lift it up, and that locks it in place. And now you can go ahead and place this on your piece of wood or carpet, stencil out or cut it out, and you got it right there with you wherever you want to go, and you can do it that way. So then that piece will just simply go right in there perfectly. So guys, what we're actually going to be doing in our video is tracing this around the entire field door. So we want to wrap this field door, but we want it perfect. We don't want to get it messed up. This tool will allow us to not only trace it like so. So we go ahead and we trace this to make sure that it's perfect. So we get our nice outline. So we can trace that then on our vinyl wrap, because we're going to be wrapping this in a carbon fiber wrap. So now we can go ahead and trace that and we can mold it around, but as you see there's this knob right here. Well, that throws our tracing off, but because we can go ahead and outline this, in fact we can go the whole way in, so now we can go ahead and turn it this way to get it better. Now I can see. Alright. There's that little lip right there. Now, you can go ahead and just smooth it out with your fingers if you want to make it perfectly smooth, but you can see the indent of our actual tool here with our circle. Now, like I said, there's many different scenarios you can use this with. So now you can see there's kind of a dip in the center, and that's going to be for our lid. So let's go ahead and put everything on. Trace everything and get it on. Alright, I went ahead and I traced everything So now we're going to line everything up and see how this works. So this is a vinyl wrap, and we went ahead and we cut it out in the perfect circle according to our contour gauge. So we use that to get a baseline, and now for this process we just take and heat it up. We spread it out. And since we cut out our spot for our lip, it's going to be easier for it to mold and bend with it. Because we already got the lip cut out. Sorry guys, it's easier just to manually do this instead of having the camera in my way. This is a little tedious job, so I will show you guys when we are done here. Alright, now we fold this down and we have it on. Just got to clear the air out of this and then we are fully done. And all thanks to this contour gauge for measuring this out good. So now with measuring it, we were able to get it good, and then we just simply have to line everything up. But this tool is really good for a lot of different things. Check out the link in my video description if you're interested.